Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2019 GMC Terrain and I will show you how to use the remote starter. This video will apply to GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024, and this is the second generation of GMC Terrains. Okay, so if you just try and click onto the remote starter even a couple of times, nothing will happen. Even if you hold it, nothing will happen either. So what you have to do, you have to press once the lock button quickly and then press and hold the remote starter. That's the small trick. So lock and now press and hold, and this will start the vehicle, and that's pretty much it. If you want to turn the engine off remotely, you will again just press and hold the remote start button. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.